Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up, which means we replaced the shower screen of this machine, as well as replace the gasket and deep clean everything inside of it. It was in really bad condition, to be honest. The shower screen of the machine was in really bad condition. This after we polish it, and this is before we polished it. So you can see really terrible looking. A lot of coffee buildup all over the place. This is a new shower screen. This is the old shower screen. We replaced that one too. We deep clean everything on the shower head, as you can see right there. Previous condition right here, and this is when we clean it. And we backflush this machine, descale this machine, give it a nice clean it, and yeah, that's all we did. So starting with the steamer, we're gonna be steaming, and then we're gonna be using the group head and do a shot. Let me get it up. All right, so steam should be ready. Stop over here, and I'm gonna cool down the machine. It's always recommended to steam first and then use the brew function of the machine later. So you're gonna do a cappuccino, steam your milk first, and after that, cool it down a bit, and you can proceed to do your espresso. Alright, water in the boiler now. As you saw, that steam was really powerful, working really great. And now we can do our shot. Hopefully I pick up the right grind size of the machine, otherwise you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. A bit on the faster side, as you can see, it's coming out a bit fast, but we're still gonna be able to see a bit of crema forming on top of the espresso. We're gonna stop it right here. If you would like more crema, you can grind your coffee a bit more finer or tamper a bit hard, and that will give you a bit extra layer of crema. But for 2 ounces of coffee, this is perfect. Nice layer, working great. Excellent flow coming out from the group head. Excellent flow coming out from the steam. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. And if you like this video, that would help us a lot. Subscribe, hit that bell.